Students, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Once again, you all welcome back in GK video, and this is my second video of this week. Children, in this video, once again, I am going to start the new chapter. That chapter is year 39. After that, children, today you all will going to get the worksheet. In worksheet, you all have to write choose the correct option. Okay, so first you will start the new chapter. The chapter is year 39. It is in page number 46, and the name of the chapter is here comparison. Yes, today you all are going to read in GK topic about the comparative degree. Yes, children, what do you know about this, children? Yes, the comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. Yes, in this degree you will read about the it will be compare about the two. It is used to compare two object, people or places. Yes, it will be used to compare about the two object, two places or two people. Like as you can see in this picture, there you just see there, children, there is two picture. Okay, there is two house. Okay, there is telling what her house is bigger than what her house is bigger than my house. It means there are two. Okay, there are two places. Okay, so what there is comparison. So which house is bigger? It means what there is comparison. So it will compare about the two object, two peoples or two places. So let's start some more example. Okay, you just see, there is question. First is here, which is higher? And there it is two picture. Okay, there is mountain and hill. Just tell me which is higher. There is comparison between two. Yes, mountain and hill. So children, as you all know, children, yes, mountain. Children, mountain is higher. Okay, and already you know, children, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Okay, so children, what there is, this is higher. So there you will have to say there is asking which is higher. So you will take in mountain. Okay, now move to the next. After that, children, which is colder? As you all know, children, yes, in summer we feel hot. We like to eat what? Cold thing, cold thing like ice cream. Okay, we like to swim in water also. But winter, children, we in that season we feel cold. Okay, in summer we feel hot, but in winter we feel cold. Okay, we like to hot things. So there is asking which is colder. It is what already you are knowing. Yes, winter is colder. So you will have to tick the what? Winter is colder than. Okay, children, now move to the next. Which is hotter? Yes, children, already you all know, children, sun is called the big ball of fire. It shines brightly. Okay, so there is asking which is hotter. So it is confirmed that what? Sun will hotter. So there you will have to take sun. Yes, sun is hotter. Moon, and already you all know, children, moon is look like a what? It is round in shape, and it has not light on its own. Okay, children, now next, which is smaller? Yes, children, do you know there is also two animals, and there is comparison between two animals. There is rhinoceros and it is elephant. And already you are knowing, children, yes, what do you know about the elephant, children? Elephant is the largest largest animal on land. So there is asking which is smaller. So already it is what? Rhinoceros is smaller than the elephant. Okay, now move to the next. Which is bigger? Yes, which is bigger, children? Tiger. Yes, already you are knowing, tiger is the national animal of national animal of India, and it is very dangerous for humans. And what? It is wild animals. Okay, and it is what? Bigger than the god. So there is also comparison. So there you will take the what? Which there is asking which is bigger. You will have to take in what? Tiger side. And goat, already you know, children, it is domestic animal. We get many things from goat. Okay, we get milk, meat. Okay, so children, what there is asking, there is comparison between two animals. So which will be the correct option? Yes, tiger is bigger than the goat. Now move to the next. Which is larger? Yes, children, there is the first picture is here, lake, and sea, second picture is here sea. And what do you know about the sea, children? Sea has a direct outlet to the ocean, okay, whereas lakes do not. Lakes may be above or below the sea level, it is, but lakes are man-made water bodies, or whereas sea is natural. So natural, it will be the larger, children. So there you will have to write what sea is larger than the lake. Okay, now move to the next. Which is taller? Which is taller? There is comparison between the two animals, and already you also know, children. Yes, giraffe is called the tallest animal on land. Okay, and what there is asking taller, so which will be the taller? Yes, the giraffe. So there you will have to take the giraffe is the taller, what taller animal. But not only taller, there it will be, we can comparison about the two more than animals, because there is a comparison only two. That's why there is comparison, what comparative degree. So we can use their superlative degree also. Why? Because it is tallest animal among the alls. Okay, so there is giraffe is the tallest, so there in these two pictures, giraffe is taller than the what, camels. So okay, children, now move to the next. After that, children, who is stronger? Yes, children, already you can see, children, the lion is lion. Why? Because lion is called the king of what? A king of jungle. It is called the king of jungle. It is what? And also, children, it is flesh eater animals. Okay, a lion eat flesh of other animals. It is very dangerous for us. But sheep is not stronger. And also, children, it is what, domestic animal. We get what, wool from sheep. Okay, so which is stronger? You will take in what, lion is stronger. So children, these are the what comparison. You will have to tick the correct option, which will be the correct. You just tick. Okay, you just compare about between the two pictures, and then after you will write. Now children, you will do one more thing, that is the choose the correct option. There will be also the two option. Okay, children, and which will be the correct, you will have to tick. Okay, so let's start. Like first is here, dash is the Japanese art of folding paper. Do you know, children, which art? Yes, origami. Yes, origami is the Japanese art of folding paper. So there you will have to write what, tick the origami is the Japanese art of folding paper. And also, children, in this, yes, origami is the Japanese art of folding paper into shapes representing objects like flowers or birds. Okay, the Japanese word, the term origami literally means to folder paper. Okay, now so there you will write here option number A. Now next, which is the highest single tower in India? What do you know about this, children? Yes, children, Qutub Minar. Yes, the Qutub Minar is the highest single tower in India, located on the outskirts of Delhi. So there will be the option number 2. Now next question. My mother uses dash and thread to stitch a button of cloth. Yes, children, what does she use? Yes, she uses what? Needle and thread to stitch a button of our shirt. So there we will have to write uses needle and thread. So you will write thread is already written. Why? Because they are pairing word. Needle and threads are pairing word. It always go together. Okay, so needle and thread to stitch a button of shirts. So there you will, the option will be the option number A, not rope. My mother uses needle and thread to stitch a button of shirt. Which symbol is usually seen on highway or narrow road, children? Yes, no U-turn. Why? Because there will be the place will be the narrow, and so that's why you cannot take U-turn. Understood? Now after that, children, a crayon made of wild chalk is called what? An oil pastel. Why? There is an, so there what is called an what? Oil pastel. OIL while PASTEL pastel. And also, what do you know, children, about this? So there you will write while, pastel, and also children what? This is also a popular medium for color artwork. Okay, there are several ways in which you can draw using your crayons. First, you can press either softly or hardly with your crayon to create a lighter or darker shade. Okay, so there you will write a crayon made of wild chalk is called an wild pastel. Now, which is our national anthem? Do you know? Yes, children. What? Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Who wrote our national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, and what do you know about children? Vande Matram. Yes, Vande Matram is our what song? National song written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. But there is asking which is national anthem. So you will have to write Jana, 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 Gana, Gana, Mana, Mana. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem written by the what? Written by our Rabindranath Tagore. Now, next, who is the Prime Minister of India? Do you know, children? Yes, Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. And what do you know about the Nitish Kumar, children? What? Yes, Nitish Kumar is the Chief Minister of Bihar, but Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. And also, who is the first Prime Minister of children? India is, children? Yes, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? You will have to say which Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. So there is the asking the current Prime Minister of India. So you will have to say Mr. Narendra Modi. Now, how many months have 31 days? Yes, children, there are what 31 days asking. So there you will have to write 7 months have 31 days and 4 months have 30 days and 1 month have very less day of the okay. February has the least number of days. So in 1 year there are 12 months. 4 months have 30 days. 7 months have 31 days and 1 month have 28 or 29 days. It means 7 plus 4 11 plus 1 12. So there are 12 months in a year. So there is asking how many months have 31 days. You will have to say 7 months. So option number B. Now, which is the largest animal in the world? Yes, children. What do you know? Blue whale. Blue whale is the largest animal in the world. And what do you know about the children? Dolphin. Yes, dolphin is our national aquatic animal. But largest animal, if it will be asked, you will have to say blue whale. Now, which is the largest flower in the world? You will have to say Rafflesia is the largest flower in the world. So, Rafflesia. Rafflesia is the largest flower. And what do you know about the lotus, children? Yes, lotus is our national flower. But Rafflesia is the largest flower in the world. Okay, children. So, children, today's work. First, you will read the new chapter. Okay, chapter 39. Now, after in your copy, you will have to write choose the correct option with beautiful handwriting. So, I hope, children, whatever I have explained in this video, you all have understood very nicely. So, at home, just try to learn all the things. Okay. So, once again, I would like to say you thank you for watching this video till end. So, have a wonderful day and bye-bye you all.